Hey, it's Christy here from Mind Rewired. Thank you so much for being here with me. I always love doing these kind of things and teaching and working with people. So subscribe to my channel. If this stuff is helping you, share the material. I always appreciate that. It helps my cause and my effort, as well as spreading and teaching what I believe is to be truth at this point. If it resonates with you, please share it. Check out the links below for the classes and offerings that I have. And jump in, right? If you want to work with me privately, or if you want to do one of the courses, jump in. It's just one of the fastest, easiest ways to take this to the next level. What I want to talk about today is very simply a question that somebody actually asked me is how do I start my day off right? What's a better way to start my day off right? And I want to give you direct instructions into that, but I want you to understand first all the things that we're taught and all the things that we're given, the ways that we start our day off right, like doing gratitude statements or a little meditation or, maybe some yoga, some stretching, some breathing work are all awesome things. Is there a way you could kind of roll them into one and get a better benefit more often throughout the day than just doing one little session here or there or one long drawn out session? And I'm not saying stop what you're doing. I'm not saying that at all. Keep it up, especially if it's working for you. But in the morning, for just a few minutes, is there a way to add a bigger bang to your buck? That's what I want to know. And so here's what I do in the morning. And if it helps you, definitely take it and try it, right? Check it out and see if it works for you. And what I'm doing is getting heart-centered. Right? When somebody asks me, what is it you do in the morning to set yourself up for success? This is typically what I tell them. And it's not just a morning thing, it's also a night thing. So you have to understand that too. Through the day, all the things that you go through pile up in your system and will cause blockages or cause issues or cause great openings that you want to hang on to. Right? In the morning, whatever happened at night is coming up with you. So when you wake up in the morning, if you wake up angry, how do you stop that pattern? How do you stop that cycle? When you go to bed at night, if you go to bed angry, how do you change that so you get better sleep, right? And so here's what I do. This is typically what I do. I wake up in the morning. When I wake up, the first thing I do is recognize I'm awake. Recognize that you're awake. Take a few nice deep breaths before you even get out of bed. Start inhaling and exhaling and circulating oxygen and energy around your body, right? It's really beneficial, and you're awakening your senses. You're getting yourself going. Maybe stretch a little bit, right? Right there in your bed. Start moving, rolling, stretching. As I'm breathing and moving and stretching, I'll take my awareness and move it from wherever it is and bring it into my heart space. I'm causing heart coherence. This heart coherence is a way to actually set yourself up to go through your day in a higher level vibration right from the start. So as you're breathing, you drop your awareness into your heart and then settle in there. Now, here's the difference between a gratitude statement oriented, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for idea for the morning versus gratitude from your heart space. When I'm grateful for something in the outward representation of this world, that gratitude holds some weight, right? It does make you feel better. It's a different level of gratitude. It's from a different space. It's from a different dimension, if you will. It's from a different part of you. When you are coherent in your heart, when your awareness is in your heart and you feel gratitude versus I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for. It's just different. The feeling is bigger. It's heart opening. It's this huge inside experience, not an external experience because I got something or I did something for somebody or I saw something, right? It's there because gratitude is an attitude of your spirit. And if you're not in connection with your spirit, you're not going to feel that, right? Peace, joy, love, gratitude, satisfaction. It all puts you in the present moment. And in your heart space, you are connected to your spirit, and your spirit is connected to all of this. And that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is to get there. Become heart coherent, feel for that feeling of gratitude. This is what I teach people how to do, is how to find that feeling. Because most of us were never taught that that feeling was inside of you. It was something that happened because something outside of you happened. And so we're trying to switch that over and train that into the subconscious mind, so that my normal subconscious way of being is that I inhale and express gratitude. I inhale and I fall in love. I inhale and I am just like so overwhelmed with those internal emotions that the negativity stuff doesn't show up as readily. On the other end of that, when I go to bed at night, I do the exact same thing. I'm looking for that feeling. I'm getting in connection with my spirit. And then I'm actually going through my day backwards to desynchronize any of the negative things that may have happened. If good stuff happened, the emotion builds, right? The good emotion stacks up. Do you understand? It's a ton of fun when you recognize your own spirit and the attitudes or the attributes of spirit of God you recognize as who you are instead of something you have to go do. It's who I am. It's not something I have to go out in the world and cause. Does it make sense? It's a little bit different way of thinking about it. I bless you in this. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video if it helps you. Contact me if you need something personally. And thank you very much for being here.